What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, A.E. Her 64. Man, I'm in here still doing a little bit of that maintenance, man, getting stuff together and checking all the stuff, man. When you have a car for 5 years, you really need to go through it and check it and make sure everything all right. You know, observe, fix it, report, all that stuff. But it's dark here, so look here, just check it out. That's what I'm dealing with today. Look at this, man. What was I gonna do with that? Cool, done. Yeah, that was one of the issues too, but like I said, man, you know me, I'm always doing stuff. Y'all know what this is, man. Anybody got them LT1s, Fleetwood, Brohams, all that, man. Look here. That's a ignition coil module. And what I want to say, a coil, or did I say the same damn thing twice? But y'all know what this is, man. This is a ignition control module, and this is a coil. So, man, your car, like I said, man, you need to do the maintenance. Go ahead, get it. Make sure you got your little grease too, man. Gotta have a little grease when you working on that electrical stuff, man. Put that stuff back the way it need to be at. But I got everything back. Like I said, man, I got everything back. So y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm about to put it in there and I'm gonna take her on a maiden voyage. But guess what, YouTube? Like, share, subscribe. And man, the little stuff we can do, man, try to do it, man, if you can do it. Once again, man, it's your boy A.E. Her 64. Like, share, subscribe. I'm out.